Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video and welcome to today's vlog. It's gonna be another weekend vlog for you guys. I have a lot of things going on this weekend and I want to take you guys along. First, I want to do my makeup. I've had a full day of errands. I've had so many errands today. I literally woke up like at 8 a.m, entered my car and just worked. Literally, not worked, but like I had to knock so many errands out of the park. I had to go to the bank. I had to do my laundry. I just had a bunch of shit I needed to do and I've done them. Now I'm home. I've been editing. My laptop is down there. I'm editing a video that's supposed to go up. Today's Friday. It's supposed to go up on Sunday. Hopefully I'll have it ready and done by tomorrow. I would like the video to go up on Sunday. My schedule has been one kind recently and I want to stop it. I want to have a good consistent schedule. So I'm gonna hopefully finish it by tomorrow. I've already done most of the work, as you can see. Most of it is already done. I just have a couple of more clips to edit, then I have to add music, and then I have to add like other things. I am super kind of tired because I didn't sleep early last night, and then I woke up this morning and then I was on my feet, and now I'm about to sit down and do my makeup. I am going to the Metaphor. I've never been to the Metaphor before, by the way, but the Metaphor is a new place in it's not new, it opened last year, but it's in Victoria Island. The Metaphor is a house that's been turned to a restaurant, and they're having an event for World Music Day. By the way, today is World Music Day, so they're having an event to celebrate World Music Day, and I'm gonna go for that. And then afterwards I'm going to go and be a playlist that at Downful. But this time I didn't put together a playlist. This time I'm actually going to just kind of DJ. I'm just going to take my laptop there, plug it in, and play what I think should be playing. I already have a kind of vibe I'm going for in my head, but this is really nerve-wracking because when I create a playlist, I know what it's gonna sound like, I know what the transitions are gonna be like, so I'm gonna, I already have everything down. But this time I don't have everything down. I know what I want. I know what I want to hear. I know a vibe in my head, but this is interesting and this is different, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of DJing. I'm actually gonna like kind of DJ. By the way, my skin is looking like extra good today, and it's because I used the Organic Life Plus coffee oil. This is their coffee oil. They have a coffee oil. I didn't even know coffee oil was a thing, but this is the Organic Life Plus coffee oil, and I used it today and my skin has been looking extra glowy today. So this is why we have good skin, y'all. Invest in some good oil. This is my finished face of makeup. I actually didn't know what I was doing when I started my face, to be honest, but I ended up with this kind of sunsets, yellow, orange, red look with a bright red lip. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing my feminist as fuck shirt, and then I tied my jumpsuit around my waist so it looks like a pair of baggy pants, and then I'm wearing my black heels. I'm gonna leave the house and go to the Metaphor right now. What time is it? Almost 6:30. The Metaphor event said that they will start at 6. I know they won't start at 6, which is why I wasn't like kind of in a hurry. So I'm gonna leave my house in a little bit and head out. There's no lights out here, but I'm at the Metaphor for the World Music Day party, getting a drink made by Bacardi there. Done on my face. This is so great because I'm going to Downfall, so this is really going to make a lot of sense. I also got some art on my hand here, so this is really cool. at the Universal Music Party and I'm at Downfall right now with my main boo, Coco, who now has orange red hair. Coco, how do you feel about being a new woman with this new beautiful hair? She's hungry. She's hungry. But now we're here at Downfall. My set is for 10 p.m. It's like 9:50 something. So I'm kind of late, but I'm here, Sha. That's the main point. Hi everyone, it is Saturday the 22nd of June, which is officially World Moe Day, Moe Grande, and I'm here for World Moe Day. It's happening at a place called Pearl Resto Cafe, which is in Eco Atlantic, which is why I'm beat to the gods. Like, I am so fucking beat. Like, I'm beat. And I'm also wearing this beautiful gold dress from Z Studios that I pulled from the Republic yesterday. I was supposed to be here with Coco, but Coco is not feeling well, which makes me very sad. I don't like when Coco is sick, but there's nothing I can do, so I'm here alone today. I'm literally walking out. No one walking out. Hey! I'm literally leaving the Midway and Shandong Grande party. My feet ache. My god, my feet actually fucking ache. But I had such a good time. In the beginning I was like a little meh. I was like, oh my god, this is not gonna be it. But now I'm lit. It was lit. It was great. I'm going to go to Tai Tai because I'm starving. So I'm gonna go to Tai Tai, get myself some dumplings and some spring rolls. Where is my car? Okay, my car's still a bit further down. Then I'm going to go to this house party in Lekki. I was invited to this DJ's house party. Literally, it was like, the invite is crazy. It's like Asian's crazy ass motherfucking house party. So I'm going for that. And then from there, I'm going to the Waffles and Cream after party at H Factor. I haven't been to H Factor in a bit, so I'm excited to go to H Factor. I'm literally using the opportunity to walk to my car to talk to you guys and tell you guys what I'm up to and stuff like that. I am at the house party that is happening in Lekki. I got food to go. When I got to Tata, apparently we were having some private event, like a really big private event, so I was just like, okay, I'm gonna get my food to go. Got pad thai. I ate most of it while driving on the way here. I don't know if I should wait for my brother or if I should just go inside, because I just don't want to sit in the car and do anything. My brother is supposed to be on the way here. I wanted to wait, but I don't want to sit in the car and do nothing, so I'm gonna grab my bottle, grab my purse, and check out this house. Hello, good morning. It is Sunday morning. So yesterday I ended the clip saying that I was going to go to the house party, and I did go to the house party, but the house party was so dead that I ended up going to my car and going to sleep. I was so tired that I just slept in my car, and then when I woke up I came home straight. I wanted to go to H Factor. My brother went to H Factor and I heard it was so much fun. Like, I'm obsessed that I didn't go because like I heard it was so fun, but I was so tired. My Friday was really long. I didn't get home until like 2-3, and then I had to wake up early the next morning, which was Saturday, to take my mom out. So I think that's what really made me tired. I've rested. I'm in bed. I'm still resting. I did some morning chores. I am going to watch some flag football in phase 1. I got invited to come and watch the game finale or the season end or the season game. I don't know what exactly it's called, but I got invited to come and watch. And then afterwards, I think I'm gonna go visit a friend of mine that lives in that area. So I'm having like a really chill and casual Sunday. Nothing really hype. My flag football, I have no idea what's going on. I have some sort of idea, This is Tommy's hand. She doesn't want to show her face, but this is Tommy's hand. Basically watching people throw ball and trying to catch. Are they supposed to catch the thing that's on their body?
Yeah, meant to flag. Oh, that's to stop them.
To stop them. And, oh, okay.
So instead of like body tackle, it's like.
Oh, yay! Yeah, okay.
No, that's not a touchdown.
Okay, it wasn't a touchdown, but something good happened.
Yeah,
I know that. I know that word. Finally something.
So like 30 to 13.